Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at the options, which are right here. So let's tap on this arrow and enter the options, the settings, which are in the left upper corner. Now let's tap on the timer, and as you can see, we can pick either 5 or 10 seconds delay, and of course off option, which is currently applied. So let me pick 10 seconds, just tap on it, it will be immediately applied and notified here. So we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. Alright, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 5, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course, as I said, you can set 5 seconds delay or turn it off completely just by tapping on off option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.